So we're doing our morning routine and walking Maggie. The bilge pump is emptying on this boat. And I guess this little manatee is just taking a bath.
And he's drinking.
Drinking. Not fresh water though.
Look at he's throwing up. He's so cute.
Oh wow.
That little mouse.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it's rolled over on its back. And
He's just taking a nap underneath the dock. Look at that guy.
Isn't that crazy?
Hey baby. You're just something.
Aren't they cute?
They are.
They're so cute. That little face is so cute.
The dogs are about as amazed as the people are, but the people are really amazed because he's moving on. He doesn't like being a rock star. Here he comes back up now. Look, Maggie, here he comes. Here he comes.
I will.
You don't pay attention really closely, do you, buddy? That thing's been there for 20 minutes.
Oh yeah, she is. Good water. That's water. That's amazing.
So later today, we're going to move over to our next site, which will be our third and last site here at Bahia Honda. I've been saying it wrong. I was corrected last night. Bahia Honda. I'll just keep saying Bahia Honda because I can't say the other. So this will be our third and last site, but it is the best site, maybe
For 4 nights.
for 4 nights. Maybe the best site we've had in a long time, I bet. We've walked over, it's really beautiful. But it's supposed to rain, so we're going to run back over the bridge a little bit and head back into Big Pine Key and
Maybe hit a flea market.
yeah,
Or
maybe
a
go to the
purpose.
grocery store.
Maybe go get some lunch.
Lunch.
Parking
Oh,
for
yeah.
that.
Let's do it.
Coachman.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Come over here on the way.
The destination is on your left.
Like Lynn said, we're at the flea market for a particular purpose, and we'll share that with you later. But Maggie is really happy that she gets to come in. She loves to go shopping. She is a girl for sure.
How big? I'm going to get some different sizes.
So here's why we came here, and we'll tell you why at another time. Lunch today hopefully is at the No Name Pub if we can find a parking spot. That's the next trick to try to do.
Your destination is on the left.
Maybe
Pull
not
in there. I
there.
would pull.
Yeah, we have learned that that's a futile attempt, but we do know what we'll do to get a parking place. Hang with me.
Pull right there.
So here's where we parked. If you go past it and turn around, there's room for one big vehicle on the side of the road. And it is raining. We're going to get in here. Probably have to wait. That we do.
Waiting in the rain. But we have an umbrella.
Yeah, we're semi-dry at the No Name Pub. Oldest bar.
Is it?
What it says right there, oldest bar. So you don't get fussed out like we did. When you get here, there's actually a line to go put your name in to get in the line to eat. It's raining. I just walked on in. I told the little lady Michaela that we wanted service for 2. Then we came back out and we were we were fussed at by lots of people that are standing in line. So, hey, there's no sign. Maybe you'll know next time. They should have told us nicely, a lot more nicely than they did too. But hey.
So Owen eats his pizza with a fork.
Well, it's so hot you can't pick it up.
It is pretty hot. Let's see what he thinks. This is what we got last time, and it was really good. So we'll see if it's just as good this year. Don't burn the roof of your mouth. Is it good?
Mm-hmm. Perfect.
All right. That's what it looks like right now. 2 pieces gone. We'll see what it looks like in a minute.
What, baby?
Pizza's heavy.
Is it heavy? Whoa! It's heavy. That's a lot of pizza. That's a good snack right there. Lots of mud out here. Water, mud puddles. It's rained a lot, hasn't it? What'd you think?
Oh, it was good. Pizza was awesome, and you know, like the little waitress there.
She was fantastic. Hey, buddy. Hey, little wet girl. Okay, I'm gonna get in the front. Buddy, you wanna ride with mommy? Come over here. You wanna ride with daddy? Come over. Okay.
Ouch! Hit my knee. I'm not as limber as I used to.
Not as limber as I used to be. Are you getting on mommy's lap? Wait, she put your seatbelt on.
Okay.
Okay, here you go. Don't scratch her. Don't scratch her. You got you. I'll get the bottom half. Okay, sometimes you go to places that are tourist trap kind of places, restaurants, and you leave disappointed. That's twice we've come here in the last year. Never left disappointed. I don't know what it is about the pizza. It's just the right amount of stuff. And our little waitress in there is waiting to be an ER nurse. And if you own this business here at No Name Pub, she represents your business really well. Lynn was very generous in giving her a little cash tip too to help her with school and stuff. So, all right, we're gonna head back over and see what the water looks like.
Sit down. No.
Nay, nay, nay.
Nay, Daddy says. Nay.
Nay, nay, nay. Don't be doing that.
That pizza was good.
That
Are you
was
okay
good.
to drive after drinking?
Yeah.
You want some gum or
They
something?
can't pull me over. I'm already home. So riding back, it's raining, and you know this area is famous. If you ever come through here going towards the Keys, it's famous for the key deer, really miniature deer. And, you know, we have them at our house, not the key deer. We have deer all over the place, but we're keeping our eyes peeled for some of those deer as we drive along here too.
Maybe you'll see one. Did you find it?
So I was talking to Lynn too.
In
about
1,000
this.
feet, turn left onto South Street.
She is always, her beer of choice is Michelob Ultra. And I like Yingling, and she had part of my Yingling when we were there, and she said it's really good. And I asked her if she was going to switch, and she said no, I'll just keep drinking Michelob Ultra.
Turn left onto South Street, then turn right onto Wilder Road.
And she says, well, you're going to keep drinking Yingling. And I said, well, no, if you're not going to drink beer, I'm not going to either. What you think, Maggie?
Maggie thinks that she's supposed to hang out the window every time that she's in the lab.
Well, you don't usually let her do it when we're on long trips, right?
Oh, long trips. Not even when we're going like, you know, the speed.
5 miles or 6 miles.
But usually when we're slowing down, she thinks she's. I guess if you park like that, I guess either way, I think the wind's going to be blocked by the that tree. But
Okay.
a little bit.
I can move over a little bit more.
Yeah, I think so.
Here's the view out the window. Pretty good view. But as you can see, it's raining and storming, so we put Dishy up and then we connected up the power, and I guess that's all we're going to do for now. If we can get internet connectivity, then we'll just hunker down and watch a movie or something until the storm passes over. Just rolling around on Mommy's bed, aren't you, buddy?
Drying off
on
bed.
Look at Mommy's bed.
Goodness
Gracious alive.
That's what I
It's not the way you watch a movie, Maggie. Okay, Starlink's connected. In that storm out there, I was really wondering if that was going to happen or not, but she's up, and only had to use one of the extension poles to get it up, so it's not very high. And with the wind blowing like this, like 40 miles an hour here by the water, I'm glad it's not up very high, but we've got a good connection. So I guess the next thing is, let's find a movie and just hunker down, wait on it to quit raining. You know, when it rains in paradise and it's stormy, you're still in paradise, you know. It's still awesome. So we'll put the shade down and just enjoy being by the water. Can you see the water? Can you see the water out there, Mag? Is it awesome? There's the view out the window. A little pup dog. She doesn't mind whenever we hunker down for the day like this. I think she likes whenever we're in here. Oh, she got a treat, huh? She likes it when we can hunker down and she can take a nap with us.
Kyle is our commissioning captain. I think you will know Mr. Wu. He is the man.
Hey, that's right, boy. There's no way to do that. The wind's really whipping.
inside. Sitting still.
Not exactly sitting still.
Well, you know what I mean.
It's rained all afternoon. In fact, it's still raining a little, but we're going to go take Maggie for her nighttime walk before it gets too dark to go or before it starts pouring again because, well, that's the only way she can go use the bathroom. So here we go. Beautiful sight, though. Wow. Can't wait till tomorrow when it's not raining. We have a great site here, beautiful, but the weather, man, the weather has just been winds blowing and rain. So today, instead of sticking around here, Lynn and I are going to go get on the public bus. It costs us $1 to ride all the way to Key West and back because we're senior citizens. If you're not, then it would cost you $2 each way. So we head over there and just go walk around and enjoy Key West. You're here, you might as well go see it, right?
So we're sitting here at the bus stop waiting for the bus to come by so we can go to Key West today. We're excited. It's kind of hard to think about coming to the Keys without going to Key West at least once, even though we've been there many times.
I don't think we could do very much today around the campsite because
It's so
the wind is
windy.
so bad, and you know, it's been blowing rain every now and then. So I know we're whining. It's like 75
It's not whining.
degrees.
Yeah, we don't have any reason to whine. It's still paradise.
We've never done this bus kind of thing though, so we'll see how that works out.
I'm on a slow-moving Greyhound on my way home. I'm on a slow-moving
Number 2 on our food tour.
16 tons and running it. Another day older and deeper in it. Seems to be the dawn to call me. I cannot go. Alone my soul to the company store. Well, we fire a little while. I want to sing it, baby. 'Cause I fell into a wedding ring of fire. Singing it makes you feel good. Da, 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 da. I release those natural endorphins. Da, 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 da. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. One time we built her a meth lab for Christmas, but then we blew her up. So I removed the operation. Come on, sing it now. To the back of my truck. Come on, MTV. Won't you pimp my ride?
Mexican Coke, cane sugar. We said that was the third and last stop, but it really wasn't. There's a famous cookie place here. Of course, Lynn stopped the guy. White mac, are they good? So we got white macadamia nut cookies. We got some snickerdoodles for us later. It's got a chocolate chip cookie for the bus driver. So that'll be good. Maybe we'll get a good seat across that. Who knows? We're now walking out to Mallory Square to watch the buskers. And that's a pretty special thing for me because for a long time with my music, I did busking quite a bit. Made a lot of money doing it too. It really became one of the things that I really completely, thoroughly enjoyed.
I guess in the morning I'll go looking for my gray striped cat. My old house can take the weather, not too concerned about that.
Guys, you are awesome, so can't wait to see who's here tonight for the sunset celebration at Mallory Square.
I'd like to see the knives back now. My face. Oh, go. Come on, people. You're having a good time.
Made it back. It was a long day, for sure.